In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can enter all typing options of Cydia or Microsoft Keyboard. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. Then click on Language and Input, and over here your current keyboard. I will start with Cydia 1. After clicking on it, select Input, and as you can see, all typing options are here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. If you are using Microsoft One, after tapping on it, select Typing and operate all of those options the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!